Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a ping role on your Discord server, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on the server here. So first thing you have to do is when you are on server, you can do is simply click on your any channel, any text channel. So I'm going with the general here. Now you can find the settings icon or the gear icon here, which will allow you to edit your channel. Now from here you have to go to the indications. Now from here you can find the webhook. Simply click on create webhooks and you can find the webhook as just created here. Now you have to simply do open this here. You have to expand that section here and you can find this name and the webhook for the channel here. You can change it anytime you want. Now copy the webhook URL. Now you have to do is simply go to the discohook.org. You can simply search for discohook.org and from here you can simply do is simply add your webhook URL. After adding that, simply click on add webhook and from here we have added it and simply here you can add some content if you want, so just like this. It has already added for as a default here, so that doesn't matter. Now you can do is you can add embed. So here you can see embed 1 is what is about and embed 2 is Discord bot, but we need ping role. So for that we are going to simply click on add embed 3. Now simply click on it and from here we are going to click on this here body and the ping role. We are going to set for ping role. And we can add any description we want and the URL we want, or also the color that you want. For example, this here, or you can go with the cyan color. Here I'm going to set color just like this. Now simply after adding that, simply click on add embed here. Sorry for that, not this. You can just now go back here and you can do is add messages. You can add more messages from here. Now you have to do is simply click on this send button here. So when you have added this, you can go back to the general and let me show you something like we are going to delete this and simply you can find the save option, save button, send button here, send. Simply click on send and so there is some error with this message, but it has just sent some message here. Here you can see some message with the ping roles here with this disco hook, or also you can find simply click on this remove button here and you can send the ping role but the message here. Now you have to do is you have to go to the dino.gg. When you are on dino.gg, you have to simply click on add to server. And when you have clicked on it, you can find this add to server button here, free for everyone. Simply click on it. Now it will ask for the integration, so you have to simply select the server and simply click on continue. After selecting the server, give the all permission and simply click on authorize. After authorizing that, you might need to go through the captcha here. So for example, right pattern here, so we have to add it just like here. Now let's verify it. So here you can see has just added here, so that's why you can see Dino just slide into the server. So you can find a select it, so select your prefix. You can select your prefix from here. Like for Dino to know a message is a comment, so you must start the message with the following character. So you can add a question mark here, then choose your time zone from here. So I'm going to choose one from here. So here we are going to choose like this and simply click on next, and here you can find choose your updates, channel. So we are going to choose my channel here, general, and simply click on next again, and we are done. So when we are done, you have to find these modules where you can find different types of modules, and among those modules you have to do is scroll down, and when you find this reaction roles, then you have to simply click on settings and you have to make settings from here. So name it, so give it a unique name. You can name it anything like a new ping, sorry for that, and select the channel. So general, here it is. Now you message type plain message or embedded message or existing message. You can click on it and you can select the direction here and you can add the message ID where you can find the message. For example, this is a message here. This is the message, for example. So you have to simply click on it and copy the message link here. Simply click on it and you have to paste that message link here, paste it, and simply click on add reaction. You can add a reaction from here. For example, this one here, let me show you. For example, this one here, and select the role. So you can select a role from here, like ping role. So for add reaction, so we have just added it. Now simply click on save. So just like this. So there is an error actually. So there is a role is actually missing. So you have to do is simply click on add this, and from here. So for this we have to create actually a role here. So let's create a role. Simply click on your name here and you can find the server settings. Now when you are on server settings, you can find the roles here. So we are going to create a role here. So simply search for roles, or you can simply click on create roles. So where you can name it like new ping. And after added that, you can change the role color from here, just like this. And you can also add some images if you want, so like this, and you can make more changes if you want, but I'll leave it like this. Now save changes. Now here you can see I have just added the changes here. Now you have to refresh the Dino again, and here it is. So you have to name it like new ping here, then channel, same thing like existing message, reactions, and the message link here again, and add reaction. So we are going to add the reaction, the same reaction that we have choose earlier. So don't forget to add the role in your server. Here you can see now it is existing here. Simply click on it and simply click on save, and you can find a success message here, and simply again click on save, and that's pretty much all thing. That's how you can just do it. Now you can find that in the message section, you can find there is a reaction here that by Dino. So if you click on this like here, this a thumbs up here, so you can find this here like that's myself here, that have the new ping role here. You can find this. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.